Hey there, wealth builders! This is the King, and you're watching Elite Finance King. Welcome to the Pride. Let's dive right into it. Today, come and join your King on a journey into the wisdom of one of the most iconic books ever written on wealth creation. Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. Wealth builders, this book has changed lives and created millionaires. And today, we will explore how it can change yours too. If you don't know, thinking is a very powerful tool when it comes to becoming rich. And I'm here to share ways to harness that power inspired by Napoleon Hill's teachings. So, without further ado, buckle up and let's get started. Alright, let's start with the first one, which is all about defining your purpose and creating a plan. Wealth builders, according to Napoleon Hill in his groundbreaking book, Think and Grow Rich, having a clear and defined purpose is the starting point for all achievement. He refers to it as desire, knowing what you want and having a burning desire to achieve it. Your purpose is like a beacon of light, guiding every decision and action you take towards your goal. It's what motivates you in the morning and what sustains you when faced with challenges. But here's the fact. Having a purpose alone isn't enough. Don't you agree with me that you need to have a plan to achieve that purpose? In the book, Hill emphasizes the importance of creating a detailed plan and taking daily, deliberate steps towards your goal. It's like building a bridge between where you are now and where you want to be. Each step you take is a brick in that bridge, bringing you closer and closer to your dreams. Remember, a goal without a plan is just a wish. So, your King wants you to take the time to define your purpose, create a plan, start taking those steps towards your riches, and turn your wishes into reality. Now, for the second way to think and grow rich, it is actually all about the importance of cultivating positivity and avoiding negativity. Wealth builders, Hill's wisdom suggests that your thoughts wield tremendous power and have the ability to shape your reality. Positive thoughts, he says, are like seeds that can grow into the fruits of wealth and success. To harvest these fruits, it's vital to nurture positive thoughts and beliefs while steering clear of negative self-talk and doubt. Furthermore, surrounding yourself with positive influences is a game changer. Whether it's the people you associate with, the books you read, or the media you consume, make sure they uplift and inspire you. Affirming your goals, visualizing your success, and firmly believing in your ability to achieve them are essential. Your King wants you to take note of this. The mind is a battlefield, and conquering it is synonymous with winning your wealth. So, make positivity your weapon of choice, and victory will surely be yours. For the third way to think and grow rich, it's all about unleashing the power of innovation. In his renowned book, Think and Grow Rich, Napoleon Hill emphasized the importance of thinking outside the box to achieve financial success. It's about using your skills and creativity to generate ideas that can potentially earn you more than a regular job. You see, it's not just about working hard, it's also about working smart. Hill believed that thinking and your vast imagination are powerful tools that, when used effectively, can open doors to endless possibilities and opportunities for creating wealth. Wealth builders, don't be afraid to try new things and take calculated risks. Remember, the path less traveled often leads to the greatest rewards. It's not always about following the crowd. Sometimes, it's about creating your own path and making a mark in the world. Make your move and take the time to think critically and creatively. Explore different avenues and don't be afraid to venture into uncharted territories. Who knows? Your unique idea might just be the next big thing that can catapult you into financial success. Alright, The fourth one is the power of thinking with resilience. Wealth builders, it's all about learning from your mistakes and not letting failure or setbacks stop you in your tracks. We all encounter challenges and obstacles on our journey to success, and that's totally normal. But the big deal here is how we respond to these setbacks that truly defines our path to riches. Now, listen up to your king. Instead of sulking, giving up, or worse, getting disheartened, he'll encourages us to view these moments as opportunities to learn, grow, and become better. It's about adjusting your plan, learning from your mistakes, and continuing to move forward with determination and perseverance. Wealth builders, the road to riches is undoubtedly filled with challenges, but it's the individuals who keep going despite the hurdles that reach their desired destination. It's crucial to remember that success is not a straight line, and it often involves learning and growing from our experiences. The message of this fourth way of thinking is clear. Don't let failure define you. Learn from it, adjust your plan, and most importantly, keep moving forward. After all, the ones who keep going are the ones who reach the end and achieve the riches they desire. Finally, our last way to think and grow rich is rooted in the principle of lifelong learning and relentless self-improvement. In Think and Grow Rich, Napoleon Hill underscores the critical role of education and self-enhancement in amassing wealth. Wealth builders, it's not just about setting lofty financial goals. It's also about equipping yourself with the knowledge and skills that resonate with your aspirations. Come on, for your plans to be successful, you need to back them up with knowledge, right? And the more knowledge you have, the more chances of accomplishing your plan. You see, this final strategy emphasizes the importance of remaining curious and open to new information throughout your life. Hill advocates for the pursuit of learning as a continuous process, urging readers to welcome fresh perspectives and ideas. This approach not only enhances your abilities, but also cultivates your mind to think, adapt, and be resilient, which are key traits in our ever-evolving world. Believe me, if you embrace this mindset of perpetual growth and information seeking, you'll find yourself progressing steadily toward your financial goals, embodying the essence of Hill's teachings in Think and Grow Rich. There you have it, my loyal wealth builders. If you found this video valuable, please like, subscribe, and share it with your fellow financial dreamers. Your king here appreciates that. Until next time. And always remember, Pride members, life is short and it's too easy to be average. Make a change today.